Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be sharing some new items that have released today from Planything. I have a sticker book and a bunch of washi, and they're all travel themed, which is really cool because I love a good theme. And this one's a fun one, and I really don't have a lot of these kind of themes in sticker books. So let's go over the washi first, because like I said, there's a ton of washi. There are some, well, all of these rolls right here are themed to different places. So I will go, oh, and then some of them are just like this one's like just a travel-y one right here, and I have them all rolled out so that way you can see them better. But then there's more that are like specific to a country. So you have Japan, there's Brazil, this one's Mexico. This one just has a bunch of animals, so like African kind of animals here. And then New York. So that one's New York. And then we got like the UK, London. Yeah, London on that one. Paris on that one. This one's Australia. Okay, so, oh, here's Italy. So I got a few countries on these rolls. And then there is just this, I really like this one because it's like very neutral pattern. It's just a plane going across. And then we have some fun, like these are very summer colors. So I'm gonna show you all of these rolled out just so you can get a better look at the pattern. It's kind of hard to see it when it's all rolled up. So we have Paris, New York, and then you get a few like images that are related to that place. So Australia, this one's the Italy one, Japan, London, Brazil. This one's just like a travel one, and then this one is Mexico. And then this one I'm assuming is Africa. It's just got all those animals. And then here's that plain one, and then the colorful one. So this one is a yellow scallop. This one's a new design, this like chevron kind of stripe. And then this one's a very small hexagon. It's hard to tell because it's yellow. And then we have the blue chevron stripes. Okay, so those are all the washis. It actually looks really cool on the sheet right here with all the different designs. But those are going to be available, and I believe these are sold individually, so you can pick and choose like which ones you want, which is nice options. And now I'm going to flip through the sticker book next. And it's actually a small sticker book. It's only 15 sticker sheets for this book. Okay, so I'm gonna raise my desk up. Okay, so we have travel around the world. Okay, so first one is New York. All like the, you know, landmarks from over there. Little taxi cab, Statue of Liberty. And then we have Paris. That one's really pretty. I like the colors. Then London. Ooh, I like that little scene right there. That's cute. Japan. Then you get some functional boxes here. This is kind of like a very dark gray color. It's not black. We have Mexico. And then Australia. Italy, and then Africa, and then more boxes and bullet points, and then Brazil, the travel page, and then we have some quotes. Life is a collection of moments. Today's moments are tomorrow's memories. Travel is my therapy. These are all clear. I really like these. Yeah, I really like these, just seeing all the countries on a sticker. Oh, and I'm going to do a plan with me. I didn't mention that, but I'm going to do a plan with me. And then more boxes right here. Okay, so that is a sticker book. Like I said, it's a smaller sticker book. It is only 15 pages, but it's got some good stickers in here. If you're going to those countries, or if you wanted to make, like, we want to go to Europe. So, you know, I want to hit up some of the different countries over there, and can make like a little page. Like I like making special pages, so I can make a page kind of like the things we need to check off in order to be able to do that. So I can use some of these stickers for inspiration, like definitely Paris and London. Yeah, so those would be the countries from here that we're trying to go to. But yeah, I'm going to do now a plan with me, just really quick, featuring these stickers, and then yeah, so you can see how you'd use them, and then maybe like a washi over here. So I haven't done a horizontal spread in a bit, so I'm gonna do a horizontal spread. Move this down a bit. Okay, so yeah, let's do a horizontal spread. And you know what? I guess I'll do, I'm trying to think of what country I want. You know what? No, I don't want to use a country because I want to save those. I want to do just the travel one will be good. Okay, so let's first start off with some of this fun plain washi, because I think this washi is really cool. I really like these just very basic pattern ones. So this totally works. Add some of this on the page. Okay, and then maybe I can have the plane flying this way. So you can change the direction, which I really like that too. That I can change the way the planes are going. All right, perfect. So that's just to start it off, the spread. And then let me grab some boxes. Ooh, actually I kind of want to use this. Let me see. Let's use this one. It's going to be a big sticker, but I'm going to use it in 2 different spots. Oh, is this all one sticker? No. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Oof. It'll be fun to get it on the page. All right, so where do I want this? I want it, let's see, let's have it coming off. You know what? I think it'd be easier if I just cut it first. So let me do that. Oh, I don't have scissors, hold on. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut it right here. Just break it apart. I think that'll just be easier to use. I'll put it there, and then I'll put this one right there. Okay, so we'll start off the page like that, and then I'll get some boxes. This nice long one. Actually, I kind of want to use it maybe this way. Oops, I don't know where that happened. And a circle. And then back to the travel page. Okay. So I can do let's do let's do the passport. Okay. Actually, no. I'll do I really like the pictures. I always love like photo stickers. Those are always cool. So I'm actually gonna stick these here, and then I'll figure out where I'm gonna put them in a bit. Maybe I can do like these two together. Okay, let's get some more boxes on the page. Okay, so I can stick one here. Stick a smaller one here. And stick a couple bullet points. right, I'll come back to that side. You know, I think I might add more of the planes. I'll have them going this way. Okay, cool. I think that works. Well, I could do a quote too. Let's see. This one says, "Go where you feel most alive." Let's put it there. Okay. Next page. Boxes. Oh, you know what? Let me grab a bigger box. One of these. I'm going to put it vertically. And then I could do like a little circle sticker with it. And then put some stickers on top. I'm gonna do the backpack. And maybe a plane. I'm gonna do this plane. Okay, I'm gonna put more plain washi. So do the opposite on this way. Okay, boxes. So yeah, this book would really be good to make like special pages for when like you're traveling. I always like to do packing lists so I don't forget anything, because that always happens, unfortunately. I always forget something, which is a pain. But if I was going to a different country, like, because I usually just travel here in the States, and if I forget something, it's not hard to like go and find like the things that I like out here. There's always like a Target or Walmart nearby, so I can get what I need. But if we go to a different country, that's not the case. So definitely wouldn't want to forget anything that I would need. But yeah, packing list, to-do list, things that you want to make sure that you take care of before you leave. Flight information, that's always nice to have in your planner, or you know, on its own special sheet. All of that fun stuff. So let's do a quote over here too. Okay. I like this, today's moments are tomorrow's memories. So we'll do that. Right there. Okay, I have a couple other things. I could do this camera. I haven't added the camera in. I wanted to do the luggage, but I think it's too big. So I don't think that's gonna work. I'm just gonna put this, well, I guess it's going there like that. That's fine. And then I have the camera. I'm gonna put the camera over here. I think that's cute. All right, so that was just using the functional stickers from this book and just one sheet, a couple of quotes, and then there's still like tons of different themes in here to use, which is really cool. But yeah, that is a great book from Planything, and all this washi. There's so much washi. Oh, actually, let me see the washi here. Okay, this is the travel one. Do I want to add washi? Let's see if I add this washi I always like struggle using these different pattern ones. That's why I like more the simple ones, but I mean this one you could totally use, like cut these out too and use like stickers. If I wouldn't have put this washi down, I would have just put this one down instead. That would have been cool to have that down. Also, this kind of washi I like to use for memory keeping stuff because I like to be a little bit more eclectic when it comes to that stuff. But yeah, these are great to use for that. Okay, so that is it for this video. So that's the sticker book and then all of this washi that is releasing today. So definitely check it out. It's linked down in my description. I do have a 10% off code, so definitely use that if you plan on purchasing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.